Congratulations so much. Let me correct the insinuations that, Governor Wike worked against P2B. No. We commend him for standing with P2B. In 2019, Governor Wike called, very few of us and said, look, let us support Secondus to be the national chairman of PDP. For me, it was an impossible task. But when he makes up his mind, he doesn't go back. And so he convinced all of us. And we all went to the field. But that singular meeting agreed that when the deputy governorship will be made, that the Southeast governors and leaders will be called for tete-a-tete. But unfortunately, the candidate of our party then did not consult. And so when he called Governor Wike, in their meeting, nobody from Southeast was called. And that was our quarrel. But Governor Wike was presented with a number of options, people that they had penciled down. And out of all of them, he chose His Excellency P2B. And being very close to him, regarding the first meeting, we said, look, how come nobody from Southeast was invited? And that was the point of our concern. But we all supported him in the choice of P2B. And we all worked for, Atiku and Peter. But let me say it boldly, that I made it very clear that in my state, we're going to give President Buhari 25% and 75% to PDP. And all the governors of Southeast agreed to this. If anybody said he didn't agree, it's not the truth. And I think about 2 governors came to that. I have no regrets because I made it very clear that my state were going to give, and if every other state had given, I know that Governor Wike did not pay APC here that time. He didn't give any at all. But we gave 25% to APC, and I have no regrets. And I have no regret supporting President Buhari till the last day and even out of office. He has favored my state very greatly. He has shown me a lot of love. And so I will continue, to appreciate him. He will continue to be my father in office and out of office. And so the last election, let me again and again congratulate the president-elect and the vice president-elect. And I will list, all the factors that contributed to this great success. And my advice is that the president-elect must look at these factors. And for those who are going into litigation, we are not against that, but there is a need to understand the mind of God. As Suwaju and Shetima's victory is beyond, what the ordinary eyes we see. I look at this as the act of God. First, look at the campaign of the G3 governors. The Cross Rivers, Zamfara, and Ebonyi. That's the stepping stone. Of course, Governor Wike fought us very, very badly. And when the APC people say, why are you supporting Wike? I said, what did you do when Wike removed me in the first court as governor of Ebonyi State? You want me to come and fight again?